Yeah. Abusuafo. Ebeda Nyankopon ase. Say next is nothing quick. Say the kind. The kind. Ebeda Ghana kuafo nyina ase. Say motimi abomode amon my natural food ayet midi for this whole year. Say ebeda mo nyina ase. Sana ade no kwa koyi. Abusuafo say next ebedi nkomo kakra bi. Aha. We share topic na mayena. As for this Hebrew God. As for this Hebrew God. Say yewo Africa. Ana Hebrew for and as a brofo so omo baby. Ana match book. So they are white men. They wrote a book and they brought that book to us. And omo ka kire say sa book no eye Nyankopon a ohuomo God met them somewhere on the desert and God spoke to them and God gave them the messages in that book. There are a lot of things in the Bible. Bible share I put home and na kosiasem a jimi sem so yeden enu so nti obi o ka say Bible enye Nyankopon asem a na duaye ne basa because who say I put to sem yeden ewum. Yes, there are advice in it, but it is not the word of God. Oda yen pa say Nyankopon asem ye ba basua ade bi kakra sisi in 3 minutes oyembe show. Yes, say ayenye Africa for if we have a culture and I say we the blacks, because here we the Gentile, according to the Bible, if you are not a descendant of Jacob, you are a Gentile, no problem. And I may say we the Gentile, say yena you want Nyankopon bi, we have a God who tell us to go and eat our babies, our children. And can you see the white men will write a book and attack we the Gentile, the blacks, say ye cannibals. Cannibalism, to eat the flesh of your fellow, of your kind. Oh nipa, obe we nipa now. Cannibalism. Our Old Testament, me New Testament credit, me person me can want some. New Testament, you know, because those who believe the Jews will work on the New Testament for me. So I will not talk about the New Testament. It is the Old Testament. And I'm say cannibalism and the God of the Hebrew, the God in the Bible, is cursing the peoples of Israel to eat the baby, their baby, the flesh of their children. Me say eye and ye won Nyankopon bi nyame bi busum bi God bi and share some brano and anoma a krobi or we nipa namwa and kabofatem didi. You will see how these people will write books, will be tagging Africa here and there, but it is in the book. Okay? Bible no English DNA or Ibedian translation bebre and you will see the God of the Hebrew letting the peoples of Israel eating the flesh of their baby in the Bible. It is a ye Gentiles, ye na ye work culture bi, tradition bi, and na ye na ye work busum bi. A oka say, ko wi nipa namwa. Say the Christopher we Yesu no honam. Say the Christians are eating the flesh of Jesus. Say ye na ye work culture bi sa. And ka obeti atem didi. Share Leviticus chapter 26, the verse number 29. Leviticus 26, verse 29. Oh, someone say Nyankopon asem nti majetum. So it is God who is doing it. Majetum. Bohu book we. Yen dwen ena. Verse 29. Ahanomo say no okasa about punishment for disobedient. Punishment for disobedient. Or say, okay, make up verse 27. If after all this you still continue to defy me and refuse to obey me, then in my anger I will turn on you and again make your punishment 7 times worse than before. Verse 29. Your hunger will go so great that you will eat your own children. Your hunger will be so great that you will eat your own children. Wait, a prophecy. A prophecy. Abemo. Our Bible we the prophesy here. Say Nyankopon say, if the Israelites continue to disobey him, their God, he will make their hunger so great that they will have to eat their own children. One kasa obo na wa wi oba na honam. Jeremiah chapter 19, the verse number 8. Jeremiah 19:8. Then I prefer our gods. I prefer the book we and as some way say someone. Then I prefer my gods. I will not follow the God who will cause me to eat the flesh of my daughter, who will cause me to eat the flesh of my son. I won't follow that God. I will not follow that God. Apu. We are reliable God. 19. Jeremiah 19, verse 8 to 9. I will bring such terrible destruction on this city that everyone who passes by will be shocked and amazed. Verse 9. The enemy will surround the city and try to kill its people. The siege will be so terrible that the people inside the city will eat one another, even their own children. Verse 9. The enemy will surround the city and try to kill its people. The siege will be so terrible that people inside the city will eat one another, even their own children. Okay, you say, or how ever call Israel so? Our man call Israel so Israel for. So the Israelites will be forced to be inside the city. Inside the city, they can't go out because they will be afraid of what? The enemy. So they will be inside the city and start be eating one another. So when you are in the city in Israel and you start feeling hungry, what are you going to do? You just take a knife, you just take a machete, then you kill your son and you start cooking. After cooking your own son, and you will eat in the name of God. Because of the hunger, I would rather go out for the enemy to kill me than to eat my children. You see, your God is causing his own people to eat human flesh, and they are witchcraft. And when they are bonny, because you are Bible, so there's no sin with it. There is no fault with it at all, because it is written in the Bible. Ya say papa. Even before ya dache. Old Testament too. I don't know for me said there many Jew ni be our debate ground. Or your rabbi Crafton. Obon say he wasted 12 years, 15 years in school, in rabbinical school, but he will come and meet somebody like Sister Dakoba or like truth telling time, TTT. The God of the Hebrew, or say, or the Atam for Baba Israel, so no be share Israel Chrono Wesha. Na Israel for Betina, Israel Chrono Musa, at the Cosi said, or combat that he said, a deomo. Na so come deomo, or my yedi, or mobile status, they will start eating one another, even their own children. And I may say, Sister Dakoba say, instead of me, Sister Dakoba, killing my own child to eat, I would rather go out for the enemy to kill me. I would rather go out. Say, a bosumbi, our Africa, and I say Africa culture be, and who assemble with you one, and Kabo them did. You will see insult. May Lamentation, chapter 2, the verse number 20. Or when a prophet Nakasabi. So we don't say, you will do, you will do, you will do. You quite say, ampa, or more na. Lamentation, chapter 2, verse 20. Or say, look, oh Lord, why are you punishing us like this? Look, oh God, why are you punishing us like that? Women are eating the bodies of the children they loved. Women are eating the bodies of the baby or of the children they loved. Priests and prophets are being killed in the temple. Okay. Lamentation chapter 2, the verse number 20. Oh Lord, why are you punishing us like this? Women are eating the bodies of the children they loved. Oh, Israel for almost 30 somewhere, they are eating the bodies of their children, their beloved children, all in the name of the God of the Hebrew. So, truth telling time, I am saying that me, Sister Dakoba, I will rather follow the gods than follow this God, this Hebrew God, who will cause me to eat the flesh of my son, my daughter, in his name. I will not do. In Christianity, for God so loved the world that he gave his only begotten son, or given a saying, Jesus said, if you don't eat my flesh and drink my blood, you will have no life in you. Nyanko posuye our Old Testament so also or how about Israel so and the Kusi say they will start eating one another, even their own children. Ampanyampa. Our Lamentation. The book of Lamentation is the book written by Jeremiah. Into Jeremiah, so a prophet. And I'll say, oh, look, oh God, why are you punishing us like this? Women are eating the bodies of the children they loved. Wait, you, the God of the Bible, the God of the Bible, the God people think that he is so nice, pretty, humble, has no fault with him. And Nasimanayakin. Old Testament. Old Testament. Ebusia. Oma yeninda ho. Oma yeninda ho ankasa. Cannibalism. Cannibalism. Ene ekoso wa. Cannibalism. Eye Africa. Nyanko Africa nyamibi. Ene ka asem wo yi a. Ene ka asem wo yi a. Obeka South Africa for the ye ni bie. We are uncivilized. We are cannibals. We are barbaric. We are not barbaric culture. It is not barbaric. And your barbaric culture the any. Oh Lord, why are you punishing us like this? Women are eating the bodies of the children they love. Huh? See, Ebusian. Quotation Bible we are able. Say we are Gentile. Men follow the God of the Bible. I just share that. There's a quotation in the Old Testament showing that men don't follow the practice of other God. Men ye be before ye Africa for and now say answer na ye be chiro Bible no na ye Africa for no na ye ni nyame na ye ni nyankopon bia wo yase na ye wo nyame. Then we had God. If we had God, and now the book is telling you that don't follow another God automatically, or Charles said, or the onyamichi, go and follow your God. Don't follow another God. Until you are to follow the older, the former God. It is in the Bible. In terms of the book, a coded book. You will read. You will never see. On take it among Bible cream Moses catcher Israel for say. Don't be tempted to worship what you see in the sky, the sun, the moon, and the stars. The Lord your God has given this to other nations to worship, but you are his people. The Lord your God has given them to other nations to worship. So if the Lord, the God of the Hebrew, give the sun, the moon, and the stars, these are also some three elements. Oh, we are here. They give what? Light. The sun gives us light, the moon gives light, the star gives light. So it is better to worship a light-giving God than the God who will brainwash you. Don't be tempted to worship what you see in the sky, the sun giving light, the moon giving light, the stars, they also give light. The Lord your God has given this to other nations to worship. So it is better. The God who will cause me to eat the flesh or the meat of my own child, even that who will cause me to eat the bodies of human beings, I will not worship that God. I will not follow that God. So what you say? See, Abusian. And then cannibalism, totally barbaric culture. That is why Mempesa Meti said, Obibaka said, the Old Testament is a copy of African culture. Debbie, not because there's a similarity between African culture and the Bible. Over say, yeah, copy our Africa. These things are not the words of the gods of Africa. I'll do that teaching. Is the Bible copy from Africa? That teaching will come. So what I say. Yes, subscribe our YouTube, no Truth Telling Time, Dakoba. Facebook and a Truth Telling Time. YouTube no a Truth Telling Time, Dakoba. Now what subscribe? Na yen koye ni. Tebu so madam nyina se. Besa be sisi a. See Bible we dey. Ma obi kan say Old Testament na dey aye Nyankopon asem. Na new na dey because na bebrejina so. Almost say Old Testament of no say na uradi kasa kire Moses say nti Nyankopon asem ogua anya Nyankopon asem. Na say Nyankopon asem a, then this is what the Lord, the God of the Hebrew, is doing in the Bible. He is causing the peoples of Israel to eat the flesh of their own children. Abomination. abomination. What you say? See, yeah. Ever see amba, ever see amba, ever didn't come.